Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're doing a little history lesson, and our subject today is Gateway Products. Gateway Products is a supplier to us, and ironically they happen to be in the same hometown that we are in. They're in Elyria, Ohio. I would characterize them mainly as a sewing fabricator because the products that they sell are generally cut up and made out of fabric and sewn together. They make high-speed doors. They make doors with screens in them. They make full screens that keep bugs out of garages. They keep bugs out of food processing plants. They just do a whole lot of neat things. Take a look at what we offer on our website, and feel free to give us a call. We work very closely with them, and they're a valued member of our supply team.
NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com carries products by Gateway Industrial. Whether you need PVC strip doors, deck seals and shelters, or the bug barrier, NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com is the place to get them. If you have any questions, contact us by chat or give us a call today. Thank you.